At WinJustice, we understand that navigating legal challenges can be both complex and overwhelming. Rest assured, we are here to support you every step of the way, providing professional guidance to ensure you have the right direction. Litigation funding is a financial arrangement between a third party and the claimant, where the third party covers the legal costs of the case in exchange for a predetermined percentage of the judgment or settlement in the event of a successful outcome. The process begins with the submission of the legal claim. At this stage, we sign a non-disclosure agreement to guarantee the confidentiality of all information. This step is crucial in ensuring the protection of your privacy. We conduct a comprehensive and meticulous assessment of the case, including its merits, potential damages, settlement prospects, and structuring of legal fees. This detailed review enables us to make informed decisions about funding your case. Following the evaluation, we provide you with a tailored funding proposal. Upon approval by our executive board, a formal litigation funding agreement is executed. We actively monitor the progress of the case at every stage of the legal proceedings. Our support includes providing the necessary funding and ongoing assistance to ensure a smooth and efficient process. In the event of a favorable outcome, the legal costs are reimbursed along with the pre-agreed return. If the outcome is not favorable, the client is only required to repay the costs we covered, with no further financial obligations. At WinJustice, our mission is to empower you to achieve the justice you deserve. Apply today to access the litigation funding that enables you to confidently pursue your legal rights.